Hi everyone, this is Nuresh Mirani from nureshtech.co.in. A quick take on the Nifty. We've seen yet another gap down on the Nifty and the gap ups and gap downs continue. But after today's gap down, the Nifty is getting closer to the oversold levels on RSI. The last few times ever since the pandemic lows, we've seen a bottom after getting oversold around 30 RSI. So let us see the charts and look at what are the possibilities going forward. So if we look at the Nifty, the last time it reached oversold levels was somewhere around here, and post that it saw a quick bounce and then another low wherein there was a RSI positive divergence out here, and then we saw a recovery all the way from 15,800 to 18,000 plus levels. Before that we saw oversold zones here, made a quick recovery, another dash, made a low, and then we saw another good recovery out here. So again, out here the first low was closer to that 16,700, 800 mark. We made another bottom at 16,400 and recovered back to 18,300. So the last two times we've seen that oversold bounce initially, followed by another retest of the lows, a lower low, and then a RSI positive divergence and a bounce. Before that, the only time we saw 30 RSI was back in September 2020, when it just reversed after making a RSI bottom at 30. So out here there are two possibilities. We are as of today closer to that 30-32 RSI mark. Another low maybe or around these areas, we can see a bounce back from the zones closer to that 16,000, 16,200, and then we need to see whether we make another, after that we make another bottom and do a RSI positive divergence, or we start making a bottom out here. So the price points to watch would be this gap down zone. So if we start sustaining above that, which is closer to that 16,650 to 800 mark, that was where we would call it a short-term reversal. So for now, watching out for these zones for a short-term base and a bounce back at least from 16,000, 16,200 to 16,650 in the near term. And two doji candles out here if we close at this price point today. So the high of this doji, which is basically 16,270, would be the first point of reference for a recovery. If you look at it, there was a doji bottom here and the next day recovery confirmed, and that is how you could see a reversal. So time to watch out for 16,270 on the upside and 16,000, 16,200 as a zone for a short-term base. Overall momentum to be seen above 16,650. So a quick take, 16,270 today's high is important. 16,650, 16,800 the gap and the previous resistance. So these are the price points to watch out for. Getting into oversold zones, time to be alert for reversal opportunities.